Hey everybody, and welcome back to Empty Pockets Ironworks. Sorry for the late upload. In fact, I'm not really sure when this video is going to reach you. Mainly because the project at hand is probably going to take a couple days. Not so much that it's time consuming, just it's 96 degrees in the shop right now, and that's Fahrenheit for all of you foreign folks. It's extremely hot, and this video is probably going to have some overdubbed music, because I'm sure that even though you like the sound of the anvil and me working, you're probably going to be drowned out by the fans that I'm going to have going. But regardless, I wanted to get something out to you guys. The project at hand is actually going to be a upper torso of a skeleton. I'm going to attempt to make the rib cage, collarbone, spine, and then the hips. And we actually seen a 3D printed version of this made out of plastic or plastic resin, whatever 3D prints are, and they had made it into a lamp. It was really cool. My wife's seen it. She's like, you should try this. So I'm not going for 100% accuracy as far as forging out each one of the vertebrae and that sort of thing. I just want to make something that looks cool. I think we'll put one of the flame LED bulbs in it like we used for the wall sconces, and it should be an overall pretty cool video, at least I hope. Speaking of videos, I need to apologize to you guys ahead of time. My videos are going to probably be a little bit more sparse in the near future. The reason being is we're getting ready to hit our peak season. We have several shows that are lined up for us, bigger shows than what we've ever done before, and those are going to take precedence over me taking time to make videos. Now, am I giving up YouTube? No, not by any means. And I will still try to at least upload a video once a month, if not more. It's just I've been trying to maintain a once a week pattern, and I may not be able to do that feasibly here in the near future. I'm just one person. I do all this. I supply our store on top of doing shows. And if we do really well in a show, then that means I have an extra amount of makeup work to do. People don't realize it. They're like, they see us at a show and they're like, oh, this is great, we'd love to come see your store. And by all means, come see our store, but most people don't realize that most of the inventory that we have at shows, as far as the blacksmithing side of things is concerned, is all the inventory that I have. Anybody that watches the channel knows, anybody that has done any sort of smithing or fabrication knows and understands that this type of work takes time. So with that, I really appreciate each and every one of you. We're getting close to 3,000. We're on the downhill slide to getting close to 3,000 subs. You guys are amazing. I hope that we can smash that. I hope that we can bypass that and just keep on sailing. I never expected this to grow to the point that it has. So the fact that we even have 1,000 subs is just mind-boggling to me. When there's so many other smiths out there and so many other people that are not only more entertaining, but they have better editing techniques, or they just have, to me, cooler projects, it's, I don't know. I feel like I'm a little fish in a big sea, and the fact that you guys take the time to watch any of my videos is really appreciated. So let's get started. it.